Meet the APEX 1200, built for powerful, everyday cooling in mid-sized spaces, delivering up to 30 degrees cooler air. Engineered to cool up to 1,200 square feet with 4,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow, delivering a high-velocity breeze that can reach up to 40 feet. It stays impressively quiet at just 51 decibels, so powerful cooling never overpowers the space. With air velocity up to 25 miles per hour, the APEX 1200 is built to push cool air farther across mid-size areas. Portacool's proprietary media design enhances water absorption and increases the rate of evaporation, improving airflow and velocity for more efficient cooling performance. With CoolSync technology, control the unit with Wi-Fi from your phone. Adjust fan speed, set schedules, monitor water levels, and even manage multiple units. Smart water management keeps operations smooth with digital water level indicators and performance alerts. A 40-gallon reservoir, plus fast refills through the hatch or continuous hose connection, keeps the APEX 1200 running longer. Built to move and built to last, with built-in handles, durable wheels, lightweight housing, and an industry-leading warranty, including a lifetime warranty on the rotational molded housing. From work sites and event spaces to outdoor areas, the APEX 1200 delivers powerful cooling right where you need it most.